Yeah, Baylee, this is for you. So basically, trying to figure out in the future how to also give everyone answers to check. So here's our speed grader here. Try to copy and paste everything. So basically, how it works is these problems are numbered, right? So not just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, but rather each blank is a number. So in that email I sent you, this would be number 1. This would be number 2, question 2. This would be 3, 4, and so forth, right? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So technically 15 questions there on number 1. And so, let's see, you got the 0 correct for the whole, because that factors and that factors, right? So then when those factor, we pulled out an x. So we get x times x plus 3 like this. Good. And then the x's cancel. That's our whole. And so we're left with just 2 over x plus 3. And so if our whole, what canceled out is our whole, and what canceled out is 0, because you set the bottom equal to 0. So we have a vertical asymptote at negative 3, and then a whole at 0. Then you need to get the y value of the whole. You plug it back into the simplified. And so when you plug in the simplified, you actually get 2/3. And so I know that's the first part or first thing that marked it wrong, is that you put 0 for the whole, 0, 0. But it's supposed to be 2/3 for when you plug it back into the simplified equation. Got a lot of right answers here. Good job. I think also with that email that I sent you, so if you highlight, if you grab your mouse and just kind of highlight, so grab answer 2, and then it'll say you answered, and it'll give you your answer. If it's not showing up, try to highlight it, and then maybe you'll see it better in the email. Because here's the email that I sent you, and here we go. Woo! So long, new bold. Sorry about that. Yeah, so hopefully you'll be able to see it better now. I know that latex thing is weird. But if you highlight answer 2 and you're like, oh, you answered 0. The correct answer was 2/3. And that was for answer number 2, where this is number 1 and this is number 2. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so forth. Nice. So just kind of looking at some more here. So I think there was one problem that just really got you. So we'll kind of skip to that. That one was just a sign change with the half there. I think it was this one. I think you just really struggled, which is okay. Learn from our mistakes. So I think it was this one you really struggled on. And so this is 2x squared minus 9x plus 4 over x squared minus 7x plus 10. Here's your answers, right? Here's your answers. So got number 1 and 2 right. So there's no whole. Nothing cancels on the top and the bottom. But when we get to answer number 11, 12, 13, 14, so let's take a look at those. Oh, those are the weird ones, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that's domain. That's for the domain. So the domain is all real numbers except for what? The vertical asymptote and the whole, if there is any whole. So if we take a look at this problem here, what does the bottom factor into? And so the bottom factors into x and x. And 2 times 5 is 10. And then negative times a negative is a positive. So we are going to have the domain be our vertical asymptotes, which is our 2 and our 5. So the domain should be all real numbers except for 2, 2 to 2, and 5 to infinity. So there's where you missed that on problem number 4. Looks like you might have missed a positive there. It's supposed to be negative on number 16. So how you again would read that would be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So I'm pretty sure it goes positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. So if you missed up on any of those, wow, this is really not lining up. Sorry about that. That's my fault. For the sign chart, we'll figure out something in the future. I don't know what I'm going to do there. Maybe I'll put it in a table. Yeah, I should have used a table maybe. Sorry about that. Sorry, Baylee. Sorry, everyone. So I'll probably just give lots of points back for everybody. Kind of curve this assignment. See if we can help everybody there. Because it was pretty tough with the sign chart there. So it looks like you might have mixed up those two graphs for problem number 1 and problem number 2 there. Just kind of mix those up. And so I'll go ahead and end this video. But hopefully that helps you a little bit. And I'm definitely going to curve this assignment because I don't think anybody got 100%. So we'll curve and get you guys some more points there. Thanks, Baylee, for watching. Thanks for watching, Baylee, and being in our class and doing amazing. Have a good day. Woo! La 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 la. Thanks for watching, Baylee.